Here today we have a Matic S300, and we kind of just wanted to go over the machine and show you what we do to this machine when we refurbish the machine. To start with, we gut the machine completely. We strip it down to the bare frame and we rebuild it with new parts from the frame up. We have a new master cylinder in here from the factory. We do that because over time the tolerances with the vacuum seal that allows this machine to divide will deteriorate because of corrosion in that chamber if it's not oiled properly. Lots of factors. So we start with that. That way we can ensure that you're going to have a machine that works well for a very long time. You can see here we have new slide plate, new slide holders. We have new oil lines throughout the entire machine, and we put these oil valves on there so that you can adjust exactly how much oil is coming out of the machine to keep everything lubricated properly. We have new drain lines. We have completely new bushings where it's applicable. We have new motor bearings. We have new electrical. We have new belts. Again, here's more of the new oil lines that you can see. Come over to the rounding portion of this unit. We have made sure that everything about this machine is able to slide apart, able to clean. I'm going to rotate the entire machine for you here. We rotate it like this by hand just to get that out of our way so that we can lift the screw out. The screw comes out very easily, you can see. You can stick that right in the sink, you can stick it in a wash bay, you can stick it wherever is best for you to clean it. Slides right back in, locks into place. Funnel back on, lock it with your foot, back together, piece of cake. You have a new transfer belt here, new drive belt here. You have new electrical here, push buttons, e-stop switches. You have a new test button here. This machine is designed to not work unless you have dough in the hopper for safety purposes. It has a grounding feature. So when you need to jog it, or do something manually just to get it to move, you can either use that handle on the other side, or you can hold the test button in and hold the start button in, and the machine will work momentarily. Here you can see grounding feature and your discharge belt, brand new belt as well. Safety feature here as well. This will not work if you open up that hatch. I'm going to test it right now just so you guys can see it for the video. I'm trying to get a video around that side. Here. And there you have it.